Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Nordea banking app. So let's get started. So here at the Google, we have to search for the Nordea banking app, or you can directly go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store and search for it. So at here you have to search at the top side. You can see here search option. Okay, same goes to Apple also. So at here you have to search for the Nordea mobile bank. Okay, mobile banking. So here we can see here we have the for the many countries, so you can just download and install for your country. So I'm going with the Denmark. So here we'll just click on the install button and it will be downloaded soon. So this is how to do it. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.